Hey everyone, I'm back with another unboxing. This time I have the SMALLElectric 10-pack lightning cable. So I have multiple Apple devices like iPhones and iPads, and you can never find a cable that works, or you don't have enough cables. So I found this on Amazon for $15.99. It has over 1,100 reviews of 4.5 stars, and I think this is a great deal. You're not getting like Apple branded like cables, but this is 10 for $15.99. That's hard to beat. So I don't, it has an 18-month warranty and a 30-day return policy. If this thing can last, if these can last 18 months, I'm pretty happy, like this guy right here. So just there's an unboxing. Let's make sure I got 10 cables. All right. So they should have 5 1-foot cables and 5 3-foot cables. So I'm assuming these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's 5 3-foot cables actually. These are the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 10 cables here. Now, to take it a step further, these are supposed to charge and sync your phones, but as long as they charge my phones, I'll be happy. And I've bought like things like this before, like 3-packs, like one might work and then the other 2 doesn't work. So I'm gonna make sure these all work in this video. So I also have this brand new Anker Powercore 20,100 mAh external battery pack that Anker is nice enough to send to me. So let me open this up as well. So this is a bonus unboxing. I think I already have an unboxing for something like this, so if not, then here it is. Anker makes really good, high quality battery packs and other accessories. So the reason why I got this is because I bought another Anker battery and I actually dropped it and it broke. So Anker saw my comment and they were kind enough to send me this replacement. So here it is. This is their Powercore 20,100. It should come like half charged or something like that. Yeah, there it is. There's 2 bars out of 4. And it's a nice material, non-slip. 2 ports right here, 1 input. There's no flashlight or anything like, jazzy like that. So it's just a basic external battery pack. I don't know, this is worth like anywhere from 20 to 40 bucks. Let me see. So this goes for $40 on Amazon. There's a white one that goes for $49. Yeah, but this black one is like 40 bucks and over 10,000 reviews of 4.5 stars. So make sure to check out the Anker batteries if you're looking for an external battery pack. I'll put a link in the description at some point. Alright, so let's start taking these cables and testing them out. So let me plug it in. Boom, the first one works. Put that aside. Yeah, I'm going to get an assistant to help me unpack them. And let's see if this one works. It works as well. That's 20%. Another one, third one. We're 3 for 3. Let's see. 4 for 4. I'm impressed. Five for five. What if I flipped it over? Yes. Of course, I don't know if they transfer data or not, but I bought these for charging purposes, so let's see. That's 6 for 6. This one snuck in, so let's get this guy in here. Seven for 7. 8 for 8. My iPhone must be hitting me right now. It's like, why are you teasing me? 9 for 9. Wow. Last one. Boom, perfection. 10 for 10. So hopefully these last. They have an 18-month warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. So I can see why these are so popular. Like for $15.99 you get 10 cables at work. You know, I just hope it lasts, because I've seen some work and then they break really easily or quickly. Let's inspect these a little closer here.
Can you show them or test up the transfer data?
I'd have to hook it up to a computer, but let's see these. There's a little reinforcement here, rubber reinforcement here. The wire itself is very thin. It's about the same thickness as probably the Apple one, I would guess. Very rubbery feel. Again, here's a little protection here from it bending if you're pulling. There's the branding, SMALLElectric here. I mean, it's $15.99 for 10. What do you expect, right? So yeah, they all work. So here they are. All right. Well, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Otherwise, this is $15.99 for the SMALLElectric 10-pack, 5 1-foot and 5 3-foot lightning cables. I'm really happy that all 10 of them work. I'm really happy to know that there's an 18-month warranty, because these do tend to break, so I'm hoping for the best. And again, thanks to Anker for sending a replacement battery for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.